The European Space Agency, or ESA, has announced that the inaugural launch of the Ariane 6 rocket is scheduled for July 9, 2024. This launch marks a significant milestone for ESA and its partners, including ArianeGroup and Arianespace, as they aim to restore Europe's independent access to space following delays and setbacks. The rocket, which will launch from the Guiana Space Centre in French Guiana, is designed to provide versatile and cost-effective launch services. The mission will carry 8 cubesats and several payloads, demonstrating Ariane 6's capabilities. This launch is a critical step in addressing the launcher crisis in Europe, caused by the retirement of Ariane 5 and the loss of Soyuz access due to geopolitical issues. ESA Director General Josef Aschbacher described the launch as the big event of the year for European space efforts. A successful inaugural flight will pave the way for a second launch before the end of 2024 and potentially increase to around 10 launches per year as the Ariane 6 reaches full operational capacity. This launch is crucial for reducing Europe's reliance on non-European launch services, primarily those provided by SpaceX, which has seen significant use by European missions in recent years. The Ariane 6 program also aims to deliver a 40% cost reduction compared to its predecessor, Ariane 5. This reduction is part of a broader strategy to enhance the competitiveness of Europe's space launch sector and ensure sustainable, independent access to space. The rocket's development has included significant collaborations with various European partners, emphasizing cost efficiency and innovative technologies to meet future space exploration and satellite deployment needs. Overall, the upcoming launch of Ariane 6 marks a significant leap forward for European space capabilities, promising to enhance the region's ability to conduct space missions independently and competitively on the global stage. The launch of the Ariane 6 rocket marks a pivotal moment in European space exploration, showcasing not only technological advancement but also strategic autonomy in space access. As ESA and its partners prepare for this inaugural flight, the anticipation is high for its potential to revolutionize Europe's space capabilities. With ambitions to reduce costs significantly and increase launch frequency, Ariane 6 is poised to strengthen Europe's position in the global space industry. This achievement underscores a commitment to innovation and independence, setting a trajectory for future missions that will shape the next era of space exploration.